Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can import the JSON file directly into Excel. So we are going to use a sample JSON file for a sample power curve. So this is the generic power curve that I have already prepared for this exercise. So to do that, go to data and then click get data, go from file and finally click from JSON file. So there we go. Now I would like to browse this JSON file which already prepared by me. So generate power curve, click JSON file and then click import. Okay, excellent. Now it's being imported. Okay, now we have this query in Power Query in Excel. So this is the reference list. We have the power curve data as well as the hop height and different technical specification for this wind turbine. But for us, the most important thing is this power curve data, which is listed now. First of all, I would like to duplicate this query because I would like to remain the original query. Okay, this is test, so you can rename it test. And then now I would like to insert table for this test. So click insert table test. And then this table is used for this query, which is test. So click list and then click go to the table, convert to the table. So this is the general setting for entering delimiter. So none, click none, and then how to handle extra columns show as error, click OK. Okay. Now, this is the column one for this query, but I need to extract the wind speed and the generated power from this column. So the procedure is so simple. Just go to this tab, add column, and then click custom column. So we need to insert two columns more to extract the wind speed and the generated power from this list. So first of all, we have only one column, so click insert. And then I would like to get the first item inside this column. So open curly bracket, so 0, close curly bracket, and then click OK. So this is the first item included in this column. Click OK. There we go. So now we have the wind speed. So from 3 meters per second to the last rows. So this is the first column. So you can change the data type to decimal number, and then we can also rename it to, for example, wind speed. Now now do the same procedure. So click custom column and then select the column one, which is included the power. Click column one and then insert. Okay, now get the second item inside this column. So it means open curly bracket, type 1, and close curly bracket. Then click OK. There we go. We have the second column, which is used for the generated power for this generic power curve. So once again, you can change the data type and also rename it, for example, to power. Okay. You can also change the data type to decimal number. Okay, now we have prepared this power curve. So pair to pair, we have wind speed and the generated power. This is the generic power for our exercise, but maybe it might be possible that I need to delete the first column because I'm not going to use the first column anymore. So you can click on the first column and then right click here, then remove this column. There we go. Now go to file and then close and load this query to your Excel file. Okay, now you see two Excel worksheets added here based on two query. The first query, which is original, the second query is test. For the original query, I have the general information of this wind turbine. For example, the name, generic 4.5 megawatt, air density, standard air density, how high, and different technical specification based on the original query. But for the test, I have imported the power curve, the standard power curve from test query, which is the purpose of this exercise to import the JSON file to the Excel. So sometimes you will like to go to the reference. So click edit, and then you see we have once again the reference query. Whenever you would like to refer it, you can right click and then click edit.